Congratulations on clicking on this video. If you click on this video, it means you have officially taken your first step to getting your life together and then unleashing your way to be more productive, building your own self and bringing your dreams into reality and achieving whatever you want to achieve. Okay, so what a lot of people think about productivity is that,
oh, you just have to work hard, you just have to put in a lot of work.
But that's not all that. Productivity has got a lot. So I filmed this video to tell you or to enlighten you on some 3 ways you can use to develop yourself, or you can use to make yourself more productive in whatever you do. So let's go straight into the video. The first point is we need to watch our words. You need to watch whatever we are saying at any point in time. We usually complain about certain things that we should in natural sense not complain about. We usually say negative words that we shouldn't use for our own self. Most of the times we tend to say words such as I suck at this, I'm not able to do this, I'm not good at this, and I will never be able to do this. And these things brings down our spirit and do not make us well able to bring whatever we have in our head or our dreams into reality. Therefore, we shouldn't encourage ourselves with negative words, or we shouldn't put ourselves down and bring our life down in a way that we tell ourselves negative words that will not help us to grow as a person or will not help us to be more productive in any way. We should rather have some positive thoughts and know that we can do everything that we put ourselves into. Yeah, tell ourselves that we are well able and we can do it, and whatever you do, make sure you are putting yourself into it really well in a way that you do not complain about it, or you do not put your failures or blame your failures on other people and tell them that,
oh, this person caused this because of this person that this happened.
If you really want to be productive, one big exercise you have to do for yourself each and every day is that avoid complaining. Stop complaining. Whatever happens, just put it aside and continue doing whatever you do, and this is going to bring you a lot of good results because you do not complain about anything, and then your mind is always projected on positive stuff only, and then whatever you are doing each and every day is gearing towards you improving yourself on whatever thing you embark on. So in order to be more productive, you shouldn't be complaining and you shouldn't be using so much negative words on yourself, because the words that you say have some cause, and this causes is going to also have an effect on you in the future or any point in time. So make sure whatever you are saying is bringing you some positive results in the end. Coming out with positive words that you are well able, you can be able to do it, you will be able to do it at any point in time. It's going to help you yourself to develop whatever you are doing and become more productive. You shouldn't complain, you shouldn't put your blames on others. Make sure you are being productive each and every day, each and every time, and then you are going to get it done. The second point is every action that you take today has consequences or an effect in the future. So in whatever you are doing, every action that you are taking, just know that all those actions compound over time and brings out a bad or good results in the end. So make sure that whatever you are doing or whatever action you are taking is going to yield some positive results in the future. This is why you need to be very responsible and intentional about the actions you take, because they are going to determine your results in the end of whatever you do. Whatever actions you are taking that you think is meaningless today is going to come back to you, because you do not really know the effect at the instant, but any small action that you are taking is going to give you an effect in the future. So just know that whatever you are doing is going to have an effect. So make sure whatever you are doing is a good thing and is going to have some good effect on you in the future. Those 3 hours a day on TikTok or Facebook may seem harmless to you now, but you may not see how it is slowly destroying your dopamine and your ability to focus and do everything over time. Yeah, you may not know how those hours you are spending on something that is really unnecessary, you may not see how harmful it is at the moment, but over time you are going to see that it's going to affect your ability to focus and gradually destroy your dopamine, which may not help you to focus on whatever you are doing really well. Alternatively, reading for 3 hours a day is boring and feels like a waste of time, but you will not know after 1 year or just after 1 year you will have accumulated a lot of knowledge and you have gained a lot of wisdom to become a better man. It is really what brings positive results in the end are really painful at the start. No, reading for 3 hours a day means you've taken this book and you read it for three hours each and every day. That 3 hours you spend on TikTok, you spend that time on books and developing your own knowledge. It's really difficult doing, and it has not been our life since time. But if you are able to go with that, you are going to develop yourself by building up your brain in the end of whatever you are doing. Yeah, it's not easy to be more productive anyway. But if you are going to keep the discipline, and if you are able to stay keen to whatever you are doing and keep that discipline, that's what is going to yield you good results over time. Sometimes it may seem lazy, or it may seem very lazy to do stuff like reading for a very long time, or listening to podcasts that will help to develop your brain. You just want to watch funny content and laugh and go your way. But if you will be able to stay focused and develop your own self and stay with that discipline for a very long time, over years you are going to develop yourself and build your own way to success. Understand this: God sees whatever you do. God sees everything that you are doing at every moment. So live your life as if someone is watching you, or watching every step that you are taking, and know that all those little things that you do are what is going to dictate what you are going to become tomorrow or in the future. The last point is just forget about what people say. No, people talk too much about you just because they cannot do what you are doing at the moment, or they might find it difficult to do whatever you are doing at the moment. Yes, that's why they may not like what you are doing, or you may see it as if they don't like whatever you are doing at the moment. So just don't concentrate on what people are saying. Just stay focused on whatever you are doing. Forget about the feedback of people. Just stay tuned to the good feedback you are getting from people that really like what you are doing, and just keep motivating yourself to do it each and every time, and know that you are going to get some good results. Forget about whatever someone is saying that is going to bring you down, is going to hurt whatever you are doing or hurt your feeling. In actual fact, they will die to be where you are. So just forget about whatever someone is saying, or someone is talking about, the critics someone makes about what you do. Just stay focused on whatever you are doing and aim to your target, and make sure you will be able to achieve whatever you want to achieve without those critics, or without what someone says bad about what you are doing. Just stay focused on yourself. Forget about whatever someone is saying about you, and know that you have a target and you have to achieve it. Don't be made down by critics, because those that criticize you were not there when you had a dream to do whatever you are doing at the moment. No, those that will tell you that what you are doing is not good and you should have done it like this and those stuff, they were not there when you had the dream to start doing what you are doing to help yourself, or help to develop your own self, or be more productive. They were not around, and then if they had such a dream too, they didn't take the step to achieve them. Therefore, if you want to be more productive, you just have to forget about whatever someone says about you, or whatever someone thinks about what you are doing. Okay, so in conclusion, these are my 3 best ways I think if you are going to if you want to be more productive, you should inculcate in your life, and it is really going to help you. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel, and then put your comments in the comment section. Like this video for me, so that we will be able to reach more people. At this moment, we are 300 subscribers, and we need 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So please help me by subscribing to the channel. Thank you. Bye.